Students, today I am teaching exercise 2.2 of chapter 2. In this exercise, you will learn remaining questions of this exercise. So let's start. Number B of question third is P upon Q power m into P upon Q power m into Q upon P power m is equal to Q upon P power minus m. We have to prove. So at first we write LHS. LHS is equal to upon Q power m into P upon Q power m into Q upon P power m. You will see that here two bases are same but third base is different. So since x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n, we apply this rule for these two bases. So P upon Q power m plus m into Q upon P power m. So P upon Q power 2m into Q upon P power m. Since P upon Q power minus m is equal to Q upon P power m, therefore P upon Q power 2m into P upon Q पावर माइनस m. यहाँ पर हमने we have to write reciprocal of base, and we know that if power is negative, to make it positive we write reciprocal of base. So in converse of this, we have to make power negative, we also reciprocal the base. So here Q upon P power m, so we write P upon Q power minus m. Now again we apply x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. Therefore P upon Q power 2m plus minus m is equal to P upon Q power 2m minus m is equal to P upon Q power m. This is a LHS. RHS is given Q upon P power minus m. So P upon Q power m. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. C is 25 upon 16 power minus 4 is equal to 16 upon 25 power 4. So LHS is equal to 25 upon 16 power minus 4. Since P upon Q power minus m is equal to Q upon P power m, therefore 25 upon 16 power minus 4 is equal to 16 upon 25 power 4, and RHS is given 16 upon 25 upon power 4. So LHS is equal to RHS. यहाँ पर 25 पर 16 पावर माइनस 4 दिया था, इसको हम पॉजिटिव जब बनाएंगे तो बेस का रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, और जब ऐसा करेंगे तो 16 अपॉन 25 की पावर 4 हो जाएगा, और हमारा RHS ऑलरेडी 16 अपॉन 25 की पावर 4 दिया है, तो हमारा LHS इक्वल टू RHS हो गया. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 you have to identify the given statements are true or false. For example, first statement is given minus 5 on 4 power 65, then minus 5 power 65 on 4 power 65. Since x power m upon y power m is equal to x upon y power m, Therefore, minus 5 upon 4 power 64 is equal to minus 5 power 64 upon 65 upon 4 की पावर 65. So this statement is true. Now the second B is minus 32 power 19. As I teach you in previous question, minus 32 upon 19 is equal to minus 32 power 150 upon 19 power 150. But in RHS you will see that base become positive. Here base is a negative, but here base is a positive. So this statement is not true. Since x power x upon y power m is equal to x power m upon y power m, but बेसेस चेंज नहीं होते. यहाँ पर बेस चेंज कर दिया, यहाँ बेस निगेटिव है, यहाँ बेस पॉजिटिव कर दिया. दैट्स वाई दिस स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू. दिस इज नॉट ट्रू. C is given 25 into 3 की power 5. So LHS is equal to 25 into 3 की power 5. Since x power m into y power m is equal to x into y power m, therefore 25 into 3 की पावर 5 is equal to 25 की पावर 5 into 3 की पावर 5. But in RHS 25 into 3 की पावर 5 clearly LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, this is not true. Question number D is 27 upon 16 power minus 15 is equal to 27 power 15 upon 16 power 15. So LHS is 27 upon 16 power minus 15. Since P upon Q power minus m is equal to Q upon P power m. हम पॉजिटिव करते हैं तो बेस का रेसिप्रोकल पर करते हैं. पावर को पॉजिटिव लिखने के लिए बेस को हमको रेसिप्रोकल करना पड़ रहा है. सिमिलरली 27 upon 16 power minus 15 is equal to 16 upon 27 power 15. We can write it as 16 power 15 upon 27 power 15, and RHS is given 27 power 15 upon 16 power 15. You will see that LHS is not equal to RHS. यहाँ LHS में 16 upon 27 है बेस, और यहाँ RHS में 27 upon 16 है बेस. यदि हम इक्वल करते हैं तो पावर्स इनकी चेंज हो जाएगी, क्योंकि इसको यदि हम 16 upon 27 करेंगे तो इसका पावर हमको माइनस 15 रखना पड़ेगा, तो पावर डिफरेंट हो जाएगी. पावर सेम रखते हैं तो बेस डिफरेंट हो जा रहा है. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू. So this statement is not true.